Stacy and I researched and completed our project on problem-based learning and project-based learning. So, what is PBL? According to Buck Institute for Education, PBL is a systematic teaching method that engages students in learning knowledge and skills through an extended inquiry process structured around complex, authentic questions and carefully desired products and tasks. Some similarities between problem-based and project-based learning are that they are both student-centered, students work in cooperative groups where they are active participants, the teacher is the facilitator, they are intended to engage students in real-world tasks, and the assessments are performance-based. Even though project-based and problem-based learning have many similar attributes, there are some differences between them. In project-based learning, there is a more structured task established by the teacher for the student to follow. The teacher assigns an essential question for the student and gives students avenues to solve the question. Also, many times in project-based learning, students' projects are multidisciplinary, including aspects from different subjects. These projects are usually longer and end in a concrete product, many times a presentation of some sort. An example of a project-based learning project is a project assigned by an English teacher, where they ask the students to work together to write a folktale about an issue in Virginia we have faced. Students have to research folktales and work together to write a folktale about an issue Virginia has faced in the past. This teacher is asking the students to know Virginia history, know what is a folktale, and work together to blend these two subjects to create one project highlighting their knowledge of both to present to the class. Problem-based learning, on the other hand, is where the students are given more of an open-ended problem where the students have to decide how to solve the problem. Students become highly involved and gain more critical thinking and problem-solving skills by using this method. Additionally, students are usually more motivated because they design their projects and solve the problems their own way. Problem-based learning is where the teacher gives a very open-ended question. For example, in a group, think of a problem in our community that relates to the ecosystem. Research and come up with a solution to the problem. In this example, students would be very self-directed. They would need to pull from previous knowledge, work collaboratively, and come up with a solution to the very open-ended problem, working mainly in one discipline, science.